Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is typographical logo design. So let's start and make it typographical logo. So first of all, I will fix my thumbnail. Then I will go for the main design. What is typographical logo design? So let's start and make a typographical logo. Here I will first of all here I will edit here. Sorry. Uh, sorry. Typo GRAPHICAL typographical typographical logo design. Then I will change its color. Its color should be the I will change this color. Yeah, this and this color should be the uh, which color will be the perfect here. I don't know. Now I'll make it yeah. I'll make it orange. So make it orange, and now I'll change its color, stock color. So stock color should be this, and this color I will change it. It's red, and I will make it orange today. Make it orange, and this and this should be the orange. I think orange. Sorry, I think orange will be the perfect here, and its color will change this color. This color will deeper. So how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. So and I am now going to the save. Now I'm saving it. Yes, I think it's saved. And now I will export it as the PNG format. So export it. Okay, replace it with the past. Thank you. Now I will go for the new design. What is a typographical logo design? So here is our artboard 10 into 10 inch. So create it and create the artboard what is 10 into 10 inch typographical logo. So we have to take here a name. So make a name like Chopin. I'll take Chopin, and then I will make it large. I'll make it sorry make it 100 and change this font. So make it 150. Okay, it's nice. It's nice, and I will change something. Yeah, select this and make it create outline. Then go to the object and ungroup this. Then it is the you can change here this, and now I will make it some new, and we'll go for the linear gradient or go for the this gradient, and I will make it red and make it, you can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. It's look pretty good because it's design that is Bangladeshi flag color. That is Bangladeshi flag color, and you have to see it. It's a Bangladeshi flag color. Then I will show you the more things, and take a S, take a S and make it. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. Is Yeah, it's good. Now you can. Sorry, I will make it. Sorry, I will make it 200. So 200. Let's make it 200, and I will change here something. What is very important. So I'll take. I will decrease its stroke. Sorry, sorry. I will. You can see here. I will change this color. I will make it red. Red. Then I will. Um, Sorry, I have to decrease it now. That's why I can. Sorry, I made a mistake here. You first of all, you have to go to the red outline, then make it ungroup. Then you can change this color. So go for the shape builder tools, and now I will cut it down this portion. This portion. Now how it look like? Make it. You can see here. If you sorry, if you increase it, then you can see here I made a special things. All are black and this color is red. Only this color is red. This is also a typographical logo. You have to try it at your place. So make it what you want. And this is today. This is today's class. And sorry, yeah. And this is today's class. I will show the more things on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. And do subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment, please.